The question says to find the volume of a solid of this function, y equals e to the 3x plus 4, rotated about the y-axis, with y equals, and in these intervals, y equals 0, x equals 0, x equals 1. So the first step, graph it just so you can see what's going on. You graph it and you'll see that the y-intercept is 5, and that's at x is 0, and then at x is 1. It's somewhere up here around 24 point something. So it looks like that. And here's the limits of it. So it's this thing revolved about the y-axis. So it's going to look like some kind of a, I'm not a very good artist. I don't know, something like a tower with a little bowl in it or something. Maybe it's like a sink, a pedestal sink. But anyway, we're going to use the method of cylindrical shells. And to rotate about the y-axis, the volume equals the integral from a to b of 2 pi times x times f of x dx, of course. And in this case, a and b is 0 and 1. It's this little part. So from 0 to 1. A to b is 0 to 1. I'll put the 2 pi outside. So it's 2 pi times the integral of 0 to 1 of x times f of x, which is e to the 3x plus 4 dx. And that equals 2 pi. 2 pi is just a constant. That's why I took it out. From the integral of 0 to 1, x times e to the 3x is x e to the 3x. Plus the integral of 0 to 1, x times 4 is 4x. And of course, both of them are dx. And it's 2 pi times the sum of those two integrals. Now, I'm not going to integrate these things individually in this video, because this video is about how to find the volume. But if you look at integral calculator, integral-calculator.com. Let me just double check that. Integral-calculator.com. Yes, and you can put in these functions and it will show you how to integrate them step by step. And this is going to be 2 pi times the integral from 0 to 1 of x times e to the 3x, or e raised to the 3x, is 2e to the 3 plus 1 over 9. So this is 2 e to the third power plus 1 over 9. And then the integral from 0 to 1 of 4x dx is 2 plus 2. So it's 2 pi times 2e to the third plus 1 over 9 plus 2. And that comes out to somewhere around 41.3 units. It didn't give exactly what the units is. So it's 41.3 units, whatever that is the volume of this cylinder. So again, if you go to integral-calculator.com, you can see step by step how to find those two integrals. But there's your answer, 41.3 units.